This should have been a bikepacking trip, but the plans had to change. I needed something lower effort, low intensity, but with an epic and quiet landscape and space to breathe. It's a humbling experience getting ill and being unable to do the things that you love. Your circle shrinks, the silence can be deafening and mental health challenged. But in that case, we pivot and change up the narrative. So, here we have it, a mini cabin series, all with very different vibes, but one thing in common: nature, reset, quiet, and adventure. Be that micro or epic. Here we go. Pretty idyllic setting here. So yes, welcome to the Great Cabin Reset, a little overnight adventure. If you might have followed some of my other videos, you might have known I've not been well recently. I've had quite a nasty chest infection and what has now been recognised as asthma. So yes, that's something new to navigate. It's come as a bit of a surprise, but I'm kind of glad after several tests that I've seen the right person and somebody's taking it seriously. So my plans have gradually gone down. So it was going to be my 2-week Scotland epic, and then I was going to do just a little overnighter in Wales with some gravel cycling, and I've been recommended just to take a little bit longer off the bike, so that's what I'm doing. And I just thought I'd come away for a little cabin in the wild Welsh countryside. So after a 3-hour drive, I'm here and I'm just brewing a little coffee, looking at the view, enjoying the sun, and yeah, so I'm going to cook something nice this evening outside. Just chill, just chill. So it's a really cute little place, tucked away in somebody's garden. The kitchen is outside. Here you go. Just a tiny little place, looking out onto the trees. And then inside, simple bedroom. What more do you need? Super cozy. For the bathroom facilities, here we go. Ta-da! Nice and rural and rustic. Just the way I like it. What a beautiful place. Stunning. I think the big lesson in this is about pivoting. So just making that call when it doesn't feel, when the plans aren't working and they're too much, just toning it right down, and focusing on what I can do. And time outside, that is something that's just always going to be such a big factor for me. So I feel very lucky to be here. Coming out here, I feel like I've switched off already. Just the reset I needed. All very simple, but what more do you need? So it kind of might look like there's a forest fire in the back. There's not. I think someone's just having a bonfire, local farm. What do you think of my poncho that was left here to hanging up just here? I'm going to give it a go. Okay, I feel this is my calling and I'm going to embrace cabin life. So let's have a little bit of tea with my new Trangia 27. So excited. Still so pleased with this. Obviously I've got to get to grips with using it more. But we'll get this out. I'm going to cook a little risotto with some salmon. It's going to be awesome, of course. Trangia fan, guys, 100%. Do you know what? I nearly didn't come to this. I had the place booked, but with some stuff that had just happened in the last couple of days, I was really feeling the stress, and I was like, oh God, do I want to be away from home? Actually, just being away from it, just to have a bit of a reset, is exactly what I needed. So, and it's just nice to do something, you know, like, it's been really tough because obviously cycling is such a huge part of my life, and then to get to a stage where I can't do it and it's all my friendship circle and all of that stuff, it has been tough. And like, actually I've done really well, but then this week I think with the asthma kind of thing, it just hit me a little bit, and I booked this before I knew that it was going to be this severe. But hey, I'm doing alright, I'm doing okay. So yes, cooking, exciting times. First let's chop an onion. Make up some stock in here. Something's really nice about outdoor cooking. Love it. Little risotto rice. Kind of fills my heart with joy, the outdoor life, and I would love to live in a cabin like this. It takes some adapting, whether you would need a bit more space in reality. I mean, I live at quite a compact, simple life anyway. I purposely have a very small apartment, so I had a 3-bedroom house 5 years ago and I downsized to a 1-bedroom flat, and the reason for that is just for simplicity. And what I love about it is I can only keep what I need and I don't have room for anything extra, and you have to be really resourceful about all the things you have. So yeah, I do already live quite a this steam's blowing. I do already live quite a simple life, really. But yeah, how simple could you go and still be comfortable? Now cooking a little bit of salmon to go with my risotto. I've just slowed it down a bit, it was cooking a little bit too fast. Maybe it's now too slow, but hey. It always takes a bit of getting used to new kit and just like fine tuning exactly how it works. Obviously my little Outkit brewler stove, which I'm still going to use for coffee, because my mocha pot doesn't fit on this stove now. And I know that one inside out, so this one's just taking a little bit of getting used to, but I love it. I really love it. Something so relaxing about watching a fire, isn't it? Isn't there? Okay, so this is how we roll. I've had an absolutely lovely afternoon, arriving here, sitting out in the sun, cooking a lovely meal, the early evening fire pit. Well, I say early evening because it's 6:30. My favourite clean PJs on today. I've got my favourite alpaca socks. I'm cosy. I've got my Kindle. I've got a hot chocolate. I'm settling down. How I roll. See ya. Night, everybody. So it's time to go home, but before I go, just wanted to show you, this is the fridge. How cool is that? So little basket, and then you just drop it into the water there. It's quite cold, so I didn't use it, but hey. Right, let's get myself onto my next spot. Thanks guys for watching, see you next time. Quick note before I go. If you're enjoying these videos and you want to support the channel, I have a Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below, or you can scan this QR code on your phone. No pressure at all, and more than anything, thank you for being here. It really means the world.